What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be going over the state of the Fitted Squad. And as you notice when I started the video, and how I start my videos, is I mentioned Fitted Squad. So, Fitted Squad was not meant to be a traditional squad like a club. I have a lot of people hit me up, can they join, because they see we rolled out, we had a bunch of people who was repping Fitted Squad and had banners. Now those local people have been the ones who really wanted to push to kind of get out there and have a name and everything. But even still, even though we have the close Fitted Squad, we're still not an official club itself. For the official club, I usually roll with Street Elegance, but the Fitted Squad, it's kind of a movement and support group system. So you can be Fitted Squad and be from wherever. Now, as far as the banners, now we're trying to keep the banners local, people we hang out with. It's kind of like how Eliminate does in that regard, because they don't just sell their full-size banners. They do have some support banners, but it's different than their internal banners. I'm actually going to be working on a new banner here. Not sure exactly how soon. I'm trying to wait till get a new car. And speaking of that, alright, so speaking of that, I'll show you the banner now, if you're not too familiar with it. This is the second design that I had. The original design was cool, but the problem with it is with the font. There's a lot of jagged edges at the bottom, or pointy edges at the bottom, and so it would tend to come up. Let me see. It was this font here, and so with the white blade, it would come up. And shout out to Speed Culture Studios, by the way. But yeah, so it would come up a lot. So depending on the exact placement and the actual wipers, and even the material, some people's will come up really soon, some people never came up, so decided to switch it. Haven't had any issues with this one, but I'm gonna be doing a full design style banner, and it's the Street Elegance one at the top. And speaking of the car being gone, we have quite a few of the close internal members of Fitted Squad. Their cars are gone. Angelo, I believe I've shown his new Civic. Basically got rid of the Wu-Tang Altima. Do have another homie who's close, who's gonna be getting rid of his car in a couple days. I started a video for that one, so that'll probably be either the next video or the video right after that. I'm not sure exactly yet, but we'll be recording that on Friday. Let's see, the homie Gavin, he just recently sold his Altima and he's gone to the Subaru world. He's still part of the squad, but we definitely going to be branching out and having more different diversities in terms of the car world. Not everybody's even going to be Japanese and JDM side. I mean, as of right now, that's what they are, but we're going to be branching out a lot more. And like I've been saying for a while, you don't have to be Nissan, you don't have to be Altima Maxima to roll with us. It just turned out that that's who was really speaking up and deciding to come out. So we'll definitely be having a few more brands, some more exciting vehicles joining as well. But definitely shout out to all of the Sentra, Maxima, Altima homies that's been reaching out to me. Definitely still got love for the community, even if I'm kind of over my car. Still definitely got love for the community and as a whole. And another thing, a lot of us haven't really been getting up together, mostly because there's been a lot of us real busy. I haven't really been going out to many events myself. Then I have a few homies who've been working a crazy amount as well. They haven't been going out, but we're going to be kind of getting back together and getting everybody together here and there. Might not be going to like crazy events, but we should be linking up for like meets here and there and just hanging out. The last time we hung out, I didn't record anything. It was mostly because we didn't even have, everybody who was there didn't even have their car with them, so, and we ended up just hanging out. We didn't really do any car related stuff, so I'll definitely go ahead and make sure I get some of the homies together and we can all roll out like we used to, for old time's sake. There's gonna be a couple of cars that's not gonna be there, like I said. They've already swapped. And we even got somebody who just got a new Lexus IS 350. So, a nice addition. So yeah, the squad is definitely growing. We're definitely going to be having a nice selection of cars here. Watching the homie Keon's video when he was going over Let's Talk More Race, going over his squad and current members. This kind of motivated me to do this video. LTMR, more of an affiliate than a member, because I'm definitely not racing. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're standing. I did take down the website, so I don't have the merch site up currently. I'm not currently doing banners as of right now, or the support stickers right now, but those should be back here in a couple months or so. And once that happens, if you're interested, we'll put the CVT Villains sticker back up. These are all stickers of some of the homies that I support, except for the CVT Villains one. But yeah, that's definitely what we're gonna do. Going to be doing more. I think I'm gonna have the version 1 and 2 for sale. Of course, they won't be this size. They'll be the smaller support size ones once it goes back. But I'll let you all know in the comment section, while also post it in a new video, and it'll be on Instagram and everything when it's actually ready. So you won't have to come back to this video to check that out. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on for too long. But I do like to thank you all for all of the continued support and checking in on me. But we'll go ahead, and since I didn't do it on my last video, I'm going to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.